So people were asking me about my new jig, if I can cut the face of a tenon with it. I did it, but I was not very happy with the clamping system. So what I came up with is a pin that I'm going to install here to better hold the wood from any wobble. I will now drill a hole for this insert nut. So I put an Allen key in the drill chuck, and that is a safe and sure way to make sure that the screw goes in perfectly straight. I can finish the rest by hand. Nice and solid and very flush. I'll now cut the face of the tenon. So first I'll install my little pin, support pin. Nice and solid. I will now put this on my jig to cut off the ends. So there it is, a tenon that you can do on the table saw. It looks pretty